Yep. Hey guys, hey, how you doing? I'm doing a video real fast so you guys can see what kind of tools I'm using. Yeah, turn the music off. I'm riskTrader. All right, camel case, because I develop. But anyways, moving past that, I want to talk about how to use Opera's, which is a browser like Chrome. It's a browser, built-in VPN. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to talk about. That's one thing. And then the separate thing altogether is how to log in to two separate user accounts on the same website, from the same website. Like say you would like to access two separate Chrome accounts, you know, like your Google account, for instance, and you don't want it to be, you know, logging you out of the other one while you access a separate one. I'll show you how to do that too. Opera, first off, Opera has a built-in VPN, which is a virtual private network that allows you to appear in a different location than you actually are. Opera's VPN is free. It's very reliable, and in my experiences, I've been using it for the last year. It has 100% uptime. It just doesn't give up. It doesn't shake, fall, rattle, nothing like that. It's just sturdy, stable, robust. Okay. And then I'm going to talk about this right here. This is called this right here is called, interesting how it just disappeared. Like, there it is. This is called portable apps. All right, and with portable apps, you can have two separate browsers with completely different IDs. They're called portable additions to these, you know, popular apps that they have, and we're going to get into that in this video. Okay, and that's how you're going to be able to access, you know, two user accounts at the same time from the same website on the same computer. All right, and pretty much that's all I have to say there. Let's exit here. Oh, that's pretty big. All right, get rid of that. Don't need that any longer. Now just trying to give a overview of what I'm working with over here. Yeah, so here's Opera right here. Okay, and they have a built-in ad blocker, battery saver, and a free VPN, virtual private network. That's really fast. It's terribly fast. Now you see I have two Operas here set up here. So let's go into one and the other. Okay, and hopefully what you see here is wait, let me check something here. I wanted to look at something, make sure you guys know this is my bots that I'm running right here, and I just want to, you know, one's long. This one right here, let me click this screen and you'll see the trading results. First trade was placed on the 14th for this strategy. Settings right here for my bot, the one that I don't sell. It's too profitable, I'm not selling it. All right, so, and then over here, another set of settings, okay, for the same time frame, okay, and it's first trade was taken on the 14th of November 2018, last year. Wow, the year went by fast, didn't it? All right, so one is trading slower, but it has a maximum drawdown of $95. That's how many losses in a row it took before making a profitable trade. And here's the average trade. All right, and then over here you see that's 54 trades in the same time frame, but only $8,500 was made. And right here you see that. Now these are just back tests, you know. All right, that's all this is how much this would have made if I was using these strategies. This is how much would have been made, not what I made, but how much would have been made if you're using this strategy in the past 1 month, all right, or since the 14th. I don't know if that's 1 month anymore, but it feels like 1 month ago, so I'm going to say that. All right, back into this program here. So I just had to get that off my chest. Now, first things first, what you're going to see here is, let's just blow this up. This sidebar right here. Now, here's a tab right here, and you know, it shows my last websites I was using. All right, and you enable this by going up here to the menu, hitting settings, and sign in as MiningTrades, and then under settings, I hope you guys can see this. Oh, you probably can. So let's shrink this. Let's open it up like this. I know you can see this, so well, if not, I'll blow it up. All right, so all right. Oops. All right, simple enough. All right. Now, how I got here was I went here. The menu's hidden. It's like, where's the menu? Man, you know how long it took me to figure this stuff out? Oh, man. I can only tell you it took a while, right? That's what I can say. So that's why I'm making this video. A lot of this stuff isn't as I would say, it isn't as, you know, user intuitive as you'd like it to be. So you hit the menu by here, then you go into settings right here, all right, and then just right from there, just scroll down, and you're gonna be like, where is it? I don't see it. All right, so you got to go to advanced, then features. Nope. Oh yeah, there it is, features. That's quick. Last time I was like private. It's got to be under private and security. No, it isn't. No, it is not. All right, it's under enable VPN. It's under features, okay? So go to the, let's back it up. Go to settings, advanced tab, advanced twiddly do thing. All right, and then hit features, and then you turn the VPN on right here. Boom, boom. All right, so you enable VPN. VPN connects to websites via various servers around the world, so your connection speed might be affected, but I haven't felt that. I haven't felt it. Sorry. All right, and then out here you can bypass the VPN for your default search engine. So when you're doing a search, you know, it doesn't make it look like you're in Asia. Okay, Asia. That's where you want to be. All right, so here you go, VPN. You click that, and you have, it's as easy as this. This will be enabled. Once this is on, you'll see this here. This is another way to enable it from right from here, but you have to, you know, it doesn't just pop up right here automatically. All right, I mean, if it did, then that'd be great, but you got to enable it here, and then you can actually turn it off from up here, and this VPN symbol will stay up here. All right, but you can actually turn it off and on from right from here, not from here. Okay, so you enable it right here. All right, and then this pops up out of nowhere. So it becomes it gets out of a hidden, it comes out of a hidden state, and it reveals itself, and then you can turn it on, and then you can select your location. Now, what location I would select? I've used Europe, and right now, you know, you don't want to, you know, I'm using Asia. All right, I'm just gonna keep it like that, so you guys should know what I'm saying if you know anything about what I'm doing and why I'm doing this. All right, you want to select Asia. All right, there you go, and bam, there you have it. That's how you get that going. All right, so I'm happy to share this with you. Okay, and It's my pleasure. Okay, and moving on to the next thing now is like, how in the world? Let me go here. Here's the what you call it, tab thing. Now you're gonna want to know one thing. How do you have two instances of the same browser running? Okay, because this obviously is a different account than this one. As you can see, my themes are different. Now it's like, how do you have two different themes on the same browser? All right, you can do this with Chrome as well. Now here's how. Let me find it. Boom, portable apps. Okay, here's the portableapps.com. If you Google it, I'll put this in the description, because one thing about Google, okay, is that you can be trying to Google this stuff, okay, and you'll get a bunch of you know, like source forge. Download portableapps.com from portableapps.com. Wikipedia on portable apps. What is portable apps? How you can put a portable app in a USB stick and always have your theme and your, you know, right with you wherever you go. Whoever's computer you use, you can always bring your own user account, and that stuff is obviously powerful for power users like myself. You know, if you ever experience any downtime or computer failure where you can't even log in, it's anything like that, someone like me definitely can never run into that issue, because I trade. So this portable apps is free. Okay, first off, don't go to the source forge, because you never know what you're gonna get from. They might put a different line of code in there to access your information. Okay, so go to the portable apps website itself. Okay, that's what you want to do. And I've been using this for a while. It's free. Okay, and you download it. All right, and then bam, that's all you got to do to take care of that. And what happens is, if you can try to bear with me for a minute, these apps, they have all these apps, accessibility apps. These are all portable, so you can have, a different instance of the main one, like Notepad++. You guys might know about that. Let me go to some familiar apps. A lot of games. Okay, let's go to some familiar apps, like these internet apps, like let's go. You guys can't see this. I know it. Like Google Chrome, portable, free, well, fast, simple, themable browser. Bam. That one, you can have two instances of those. So, here's a list of all the apps that's supported. Here's Firefox, portable edition, developer edition, portable. Okay, Thunderbird. I don't know who would want two separate email handlers, but that's cool. Opera, mail portable. I didn't know Opera had a email client. Whoa, I'm gonna have to go check that out. I'm a fan of Opera. See, I'm learning something here too. And here's private browsing by portable apps, so that's interesting. All right, I might want to check that out and see what's up with that at a later time. Two separate telegrams. That's interesting. Two separate telegrams. What about two separate anyway, that's basically the gist right there. And I'm thinking about two separate telegrams. What about two separate discords? Yeah, you don't got no Discord, do you? Discord. All right, anyway, let's get out of here. All right, make sure you guys check out that derivative blog. It's real interesting, really revealing, tells you a lot of stuff. And I want to go into I'm gonna link this in the description here, down there in the description of this video. Okay. Paste. All right, portable apps is there, and the derivative blog, I want to link there. paste. All right, cool. Get out of here. Done. All right, I'm debating on the signals. I'm still going to post signals, but I'm running some new bots, so I'm kind of like, you know, I want to post signals when the time is right. I am going to get back into the groove of things on Discord. I'm just setting up shop over here. I'm starting the New Year's with a new educational approach to the channel and to the room. Okay, I like to show you guys how to trade and actually use Pine script to code bot strategies and some real basic lessons and tutorials that I'm going to be putting together for you guys. All right, free of charge, and then we can start this community out right in the next year. All right, so next thing, portable apps. Here it is. This is how you want to access. Every time you get a portable app and you want to open one up, you use this. So you would load up portable apps, you would open it, and it'll run down in your taskbar's thing right here, thingamajig. What is this thing called? Taskbar, where it holds all your background tasks, backgrounds. This thing will run in the background. If you wanted to, you can close it. It has no effect on this, but what you can do, here's a tip. All right, you can back up your settings right here. Okay, if you try to take, like, say one of these, like here's the real Opera. Let me just hide those. All right, here's the real Opera app. Okay, and here's the portable Opera app. Okay, with this portable app, if you try to say, well, it doesn't show it here because I'm on a different desktop screen. But if you right click here, it'll say pin to taskbar. Don't do that. You can have this pin, but what you have to do is you have to go in here and always access these portable apps from this application right here. Okay, this portable apps application right here. All right, portable apps manager, that's what it's called. Okay, and right click on the app you want to pin, and it says pin to taskbar. That's how you do that. Okay, pin to taskbar. You want to pin Google Chrome portable, pin to taskbar. Okay, that's how you do that. It creates a shortcut, and then you drag it. It creates a shortcut, and you drag it to the taskbar. So in the Explorer window that will open, this is what the message box says. In the Explorer window that will open, please drag the shortcut Google Chrome portable.inc to the taskbar to pin your portable app. You may close the Explorer window afterwards. So hit OK. The Explorer window opens. Let me show you. Okay, and then what you're going to see is this portable, Chrome portable. So you grab it. Hey, come here, and you go in here to the taskbar and you drop it there. All right, I'm going to do it on the real taskbar. Pin to taskbar. Come here. All right, cool. It's always great. Now I'm going to keep that there. Okay, and it's cool because it says right there when you hover over it, it says, or you right click, hover over it, or right click on it, says Google Chrome portable. All right, and that's how you know the difference, and that's how you get your things to be, you know, located inside your taskbar. Duh. All right, so I think that about covers the tutorial. Made it real short and sweet. You get your Opera. Don't go download the Opera browser. It's free. It's powerful, and it also runs Chrome's engine, which is a V8 Java runtime engine called V8, which is real powerful. Okay, all right, you guys, and that's one way that you stay anonymous, and you know, and also appear to be located in a separate country like Asia. All right. And then I'll be making another video after this showing you guys how to set up some derivative accounts, okay, and BitMEX accounts. But derivative accounts, you get one derivative account, and you can have, and then you can do sub accounts inside it, so you can separate your your balance. You can divide your balance between, you know, several, as many accounts as you want. I got like 4 different accounts on one account. I got 4 sub accounts in one account and 1 main account, and I'm able to, like, just in case I don't want to get liquidated, since, you know, you're using cross leverage, you don't, you know, you get liquidated, you go bankrupt. You can just trade with a special balance in one account, you know, a percentage of the main balance in one account. I would say I would use like 1% of your total, you know, risk trading capital. Okay, and put that in one account, put another 1% in another account, put another 1% in a separate account, and trade with that. And then, you know, find your profitable strategy. And when you get real confident, you want to, you know, you basically want to do a martingale type of thing. When you're confident this trade is going to make money, hey, load it up 100%. Don't go 100 times. Don't go 100x, because, you know, if you do, that's like gambling. If it just goes $50 out of your way, you're going to get liquidated. Your 1% or whatever, how much balance you put in there. But yeah, it's real easy to switch and add money into the account instantly. All right, from the main account to your sub account. So that's great. That's exactly what we want to do here. And also, Deribit has options. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to do some tutorials on how to trade options and how to use option strategies to make money in sideways markets. All right, and that'll be golden too. And I'm also going to do some calculations on how we can do a expected moves with the Bitcoin options, which is a lot of people haven't talked about, no one has ever even done. And that's just based on, you know, people's option positions, because people use options to hedge their real positions. All right, so when it's going against them, you can actually use an option, and it basically captured the amount of money you can lose if it goes against you in the option. So you can't, there's a maximum loss that you can endure in the option while it's going against you in the option. If it's going against you in the option, that means in your real account, right, it's going in your favor. So it can only go in your favor for as long as it can. And then your option, say it's a $25 option, the most that you're going to lose on a $25 option is $25. But you stand to gain. If that position goes against you, you can stand to gain from that $25. You can stand to gain as much as that, you know, basically covers your losses, basically. So that's, we're going to be talking about that too. And I'm going into that into detail. Now that has something to do with bot development, because, you know, we're just going to get into all of this, and understanding how to trade properly is one of the key things to actually designing a bot. All right, and this, of course, knowing how to code is a part of it too, because if you don't know how to put the code together to command your trading strategy that you're using, then it just, you know, that's how basically how you automate your strategy, your personal strategy. Okay, all right, guys, take care, and nice talking to you. Nice, thank you for tuning in, and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button, and go to my Discord and message me if you have any questions. Leave it in the comments below. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below, and anything that I can do to improve what I'm doing here, those suggestions are welcome. Okay, thank you.